Hello there! In this video, I'm going to share a few things that I'm sure you don't know or haven't heard before. If anything particularly interests you, be sure to let me know in the comments afterward. All right, let's go! The star Betelgeuse lies 430 light-years from Earth but is still one of the brightest stars in the sky. Scientists say that when it explodes, and it will, the event will light our sky continuously for 2 months. The famous TV personality Mr. Rogers always mentioned out loud that he was feeding his fish. Why? He did so because a young blind viewer once asked him to do it. She wanted to know that the fish were okay. Love seats, or two-seater upholstered benches, were initially crafted to fit women's dresses, not couples. Large dresses were fashionable for upper-class women in the 18th century, and the love seat allowed the women a comfortable place to sit down. London, England once had its own baby boom. Between the 12th and 14th centuries, the population of London went up 500%. That's growth from 17,000 people to well over 100,000. The planet Neptune, the furthest planet in our solar system, is a ball of gas and ice. It would be impossible to stand on the surface without sinking in. However, if you could stand on the surface of Neptune, you would experience almost the same force of gravity that we feel here on Earth. Have you ever been told it's not possible to fry an egg on a sidewalk in the summer? Maybe you can. In 2015, a man in Perth, Australia, successfully fried some eggs in a pan on his sidewalk when it hit 111 degrees Fahrenheit. He used a pan so that he could enjoy his clean and cooked eggs, understandably.
Because a rooster's crow can reach 140 decibels, they have acquired built-in earplugs. Researchers explain that as it tilts its head up to crow, their external auditory canals close, preventing loud sound from coming in and doing damage. Which begs the question, who cock-a-doodle knew? The very first pizza was made in Naples, Italy, in the late 18th century. It was simple then: tomato, mozzarella, and basil, each representing the colors of the Italian flag. The tradition of blowing out birthday candles dates back to ancient Greece. The Greeks back then were polytheists and believed that blowing out birthday candles would send their wishes to the gods. You think a hurricane is scary? Imagine hurricane winds up to 2,000 kilometers per hour or 1,300 miles per hour. That is a normal occurrence on Neptune, the furthest planet in our solar system. It also ranks as the coldest planet. A United States park ranger named Roy Cleveland Sullivan, who worked at the Shenandoah National Park in Virginia between 1942 and 1977, was struck by lightning 7 different times. Miraculously, he survived them all and lived to the age of 71. The fastest gust of wind ever recorded on Earth was 407 kilometers per hour or 253 miles per hour. In 1996, a tropical storm off the Australian coast produced 5 extreme 3-second wind gusts, the peak of which was a 253 mile per hour gust.
The human brain is more powerful than you think. No pun intended. It can perform approximately 10 quadrillion calculations per second, far surpassing the capabilities of the most advanced computers. The famous opera house in Paris called Palais Garnier has a hidden underground lake beneath it. This lake is what inspired Gaston Leroux to write The Phantom of the Opera. Some of London's streets have rather quirky names, such as Ha Ha Road in Greenwich or Hanging Sword Alley near Fleet Street, reflecting the city's rich and sometimes odd historical tapestry. an archipelago of volcanic islands. The Galapagos in Ecuador are renowned for their unique biodiversity. The islands were instrumental in Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. Artificial intelligence has its roots in the mid-20th century, but significant advancements have been made in recent years, with AI now capable of beating world champions in chess, diagnosing medical conditions, and even driving cars. Do you like traveling? Iceland, known for its stunning landscapes, is also one of the most expensive travel destinations due to its remote location and high cost of living. Budget your trip wisely and plan to have a little extra. Did you know any of that? We always have a great time finding facts like these for you. If you have any you'd like to contribute, let us know in the comments below. Thanks.